What's the meaning of beta ray? Beta ray. Beta ray.
Beta ray. Beta ray. Beta rays are high-energy, high-speed electrons or positrons emitted by certain types of radioactive nuclei during the process of beta decay. Beta decay occurs when a nucleus has too many or too few neutrons relative to its number of protons, and seeks to reach a more stable configuration by converting a neutron into a proton, and emitting an electron in the process, or converting a proton into a neutron, and emitting a positron. The emitted beta particles can be extremely energetic and pose a significant biological hazard, but they also have important applications in fields such as medical imaging and cancer treatment.